In this video, we are talking about resistance and resistance breakout strategy. Pro traders are also use the strategy to make money.
Welcome everyone. If you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel to support and appreciate my work.
This is Gold H1 time frame chart. In this chart we found a support, and let's draw a support line for learning purpose. And let's wait for the chart to make clear move. Finally, we found resistance to the upside. Let's draw a resistance line for learning purpose and wait for the break. We found a breakout to the upside and wait for the right entry with the buy trend. Price breaks well and came back to retest the breakup line. Let's take a buy trade here and stop loss below the resistance line. Let's see the results. Results are fine.
This is also Gold H1 latest chart. In this chart, we saw a trend reversal after downtrend. We saw a resistance level. Draw a resistance line and wait for price to give us clear trade. Finally, price breaks the resistance line. Let's take a buy trade here. Stop loss must below the resistance line. Price goes well in buy trend. Here we found another resistance level. Let's draw a resistance line and wait to break upside. Finally, price breaks the second resistance level and goes in right buy direction.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about Forex trading, keep watching. Write your comments below and wait for the next learning video.